Okay. A bidet, you say. A 1 month review of a messy situation. Well, actually, it's not so much of a messy situation. Anyway, I'm William, or Fish, whatever you want to call me. Anyway, it's been a name change from Fish in the Philippines over to Williams Philippines because I was lost in the search noise mix, whatever you want to call. So, anyway, back to the bidet. I've actually have to say it's been an experience and it's turned out pretty good. I have managed to use it for the last month and I'm actually getting pretty good at it. I have stopped using toilet paper to test. I can usually kind of notice if it's got something that's going to be hanging. I know that's a horrible thought. Yeah, sorry about the picture, but it is what it is. Anyway, and now instead of using a couple handfuls of toilet paper, I'm using a one baby wipe and a washcloth that I bought specifically for the use of the bum gun. It's real soft. These I haven't used in the bathroom yet, so no, I'm not there. But these are, I got them off of Amazon. It's like 48 for $19. Yeah. Bidet washcloth. Do a search. Anyway, they work pretty good. And at this rate, I'm probably going to even give up the baby wipes because it seems to be doing real good. My biggest issue with it, though, I don't know about y'all, but the water here in Amarillo, Texas, isn't warm when it comes out of that bum gun, the bidet gun, the squirter. Yeah. Let me tell you, that has been an interesting process for me to try to get used to. Kind of like, seems to me like I'm sitting on an ice cube and everything down there just wants to lock up. But, like I said, I've managed to get pretty good at it, and probably 95% of the time it comes out sparkling clean, nothing to worry about. Probably even up from that. But a few times I, still use the baby wipes to double check, and probably about 40% of the time those come back with something on them. So say 98 and 2% for the total. But yeah, and then I finished drying off with the washcloths, and I got plenty of those for that. So it's become a bit of an experience. I haven't had to use toilet paper here at the house for a couple of weeks now. And that's going to be a good thing for somebody in my family is going to inherit a bunch of toilet paper. Because, when I first moved in, I started having the subscription with Amazon for a case of toilet paper come in twice a year. And I use about 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 1 1/4, depending. But after, 10 years or so, when they had everybody screaming about toilet paper, we're out of toilet paper, I just looked over and started counting cases because I don't use them all, and I was on a subscription, and they just kept coming. Matter of fact, my last one came in right about the time they said COVID and started locking things down. That's when they canceled my subscription and said you can't have them anymore. I don't understand that, but guess what? I don't really need it. It didn't matter because, yeah, I had plenty of toilet paper. Now I'm going to have leftover toilet paper because, yeah, I'm using this bidet gun, squirt gun, butt gun, whatever you want to call it. And, well, not having to use toilet paper. It's taken a bit to get used to that, though. And I'm thankful for it that, you know, I'm getting a chance to learn. And I'll get to experience this as being a normal thing over in the Philippines. I'm not going to say it's normal yet for me, but it has got to be more normal. And I'm happy with that. So yeah, I would say if you're going to get one and you can afford it, get one that has the heated water that you can set the temperature on. Because let me tell you, tap water coming out of the tap here in Amarillo is cold. And it gets your attention real quick. Very, very quick. Anyway, this is probably more than you really wanted to hear about a butt and a butt gun and the uses of the bidet. But it is what it is. What else can I say? Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. Fish in the Philippines. Whatever. Anyway, it's under the new name Williams, Philippines. And I'm still fish. And I'm fish out. Good day. God bless. Later. Bye-bye.